All right, y'all, so this is where we're going to be working today. This is where I had my old buffet. We're actually going to make a little bit smaller one and a little bit more practical. I gave that one to my mom. If you haven't seen that video, go back and check it. I painted it and made it really pretty. I'll pop up a picture now, but we're getting ready to take this stuff down and get started.
About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got.
Alright guys, we're using the all-purpose spackle. This is good for sheetrock and any kind of holes and stuff that you have going on.
Is it spackle or joint compound?
Well,
Or same thing?
yeah, same thing. For joint compound. Anyways, we're going to try to fill in this joint right here. It's not too bad on trailers to have this little strip that goes on top of it, and sometimes a huge gap, and this will cover it up pretty good. Just make sure it's kind of even.
Yeah, we got all the nails down.
Yeah, this one actually is kind of not even with this one. Has like a little bit of a space to it, but we want to do the best we can with what we got. And kind of rub it straight down. And then just kind of fill in the gap. Yep. You want to always make sure you clean up your mess. That's pretty much what you got to do right there. We tried the pink stuff before. doesn't work as good as it should.
Oh no, we ruined our wall.
It's not made for that small.
I'll actually show you what we had to do to fix that. I'll let him work on this and I'm gonna go show you. So this is what we done over here where we kind of messed up. You can see up there at the top how it looked. That is by using the pink, whatever it is, joint compound.
It goes on pink, dries white.
Yeah, it goes on pink, dries white. Didn't work that good. So we just put up some wallpaper from Lowe's in the little spots, and we're getting ready to show you our new couch, but it hasn't got here, so that'll be an upcoming video.
All right, guys, the cabinets that we got are 36 inches, and we got 2 of them, so that's 6 foot. So I'm gonna get these 2x4s right here. Sorry about the mess we've been yard selling, but we got these 2x4s that we're gonna cut 6 foot, and this is gonna be the base. So I'm gonna cut them and then get a little base. That way we can set the cabinets right on top. And we got some towels down because we forgot to get the drop cloths. And we got some spackle going on right here, starting to dry. So we got 1 coat on. We're gonna sand it down and do 1 more coat, and then see what else we need to do with it. But we are gonna let it dry. While it's drying, we're gonna work on the base. So here we go. All right, guys, so our cabinet is 1 foot long. So I cut a space out, and this right here is 1 foot. You want to measure from here to here all together. So make sure you add that in your measurement, and that'll be 1 foot. And we can just pretty much just put it together. This is the base of it.
We're doing the base just to make it a little bit higher.
I know you're supposed to do pilot holes, but it's gonna hold up pretty good. All right, guys, we got the base put together, and we actually cut out some of the molding right here. Then we're gonna put it right through here. But works really good. We're gonna do something with the vent. We're probably gonna cut a little hole out right here and put one of them covers that goes right there. That way the air still circulates.
Cut this out and then add a little vent right here, a smaller vent.
We're gonna go to Lowe's and finish that. But it's all put together. That's gonna give it a little bit of height too on the what are they called? Cabinets. There you go. All right, so we're gonna sand this down and we're gonna get the painting pretty soon. We might have to do another coat. We'll see how it is. But if you look, it's very, well, I wish you can see it. My hands are dirty. But it's pretty seamless. Actually, pretty good.
It's not dry yet.
Still gotta dry though, but it's getting there.
Still on marking on me.
Yep. But we're gonna definitely sand it.
That helped a lot.
That does stuff. I know that stuff does work. We'll see. Hopefully it works good. I'm just worried about this spot right here. It's a little bit uneven as far as the
We might do another coat after we
yeah. Sometimes this is actually not flush. Yeah, it's still wet. There's a nail we probably got to hit in, but this actually looks really good.
That's so smooth.
You always want to sand to get all the rough edges. Yes, girl. Got some black coming out right here. Sand that right there, bro. I got the prettiest wife right here, this one. You're very handsome. Ready to hunt some eggs tomorrow at Easter?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice, nice.
Yeah, I don't know if we told them we're putting up shelves, too.
Yeah, we're putting up shelves. And I think this is going to be a pretty cool project. And it don't cost, what did everything cost? About $400. That's with the shelves and everything. So yeah, it's pretty budget friendly. If you went to
it's cheaper than buying a real sideboard.
Yeah.
Or buffet.
And that's with the shelves and stuff too. So I think it's pretty good. Definitely go to Home Depot. I went to Lowe's, and it's a little pricey compared to Home Depot, believe it or not.
We always thought Lowe's was better, but Home Depot had the deals today.
Sure did. Stand there right there, baby. Oh yeah.
Oh, I don't think it's dry. Oh, maybe it is.
Nice.
Just a lot of.
Might have to put another coat on there, but it looks pretty good.
That's just where the drywall's coming out from.
From them nails. You got to hit a stud or get like one of them stud. It's actually called a stud that you put a screw in. So, all right, looks good. Nice, nice.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you.
Alright guys, this is the color we went for. Babe, what color is this? Do you remember?
Perfect grade.
Perfect grade. But it's going right now, and it's the first coat. It's very sunny out today.
It's looking very gray outside.
It is.
We wanted it to be more tan.
And we got some stain going on. Are we gonna stain that again, baby? It kind of dried out. Sorry guys, we're coming close to the road, so cars are whizzing by. And we're gonna, this is the base. I had it screwed down, but I unscrewed it. We're gonna actually paint this too. Oh, you already painted this? Oh, all right, well, she already painted. Yeah, I'm gonna do another coat. That's the base. But it does look pretty good. I think we should stain. See, this right here is a little bit darker than this. If you can look and see.
Yeah, we'll do another coat.
Yeah, we might need another coat on that. Got the stain, and we're gonna do another coat on that. But so far, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, do that. And leave a comment down below if you like the color we picked. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we got the liquid nails. I got the heavy duty. We're just gonna glue that the board that she stained on here. We're gonna stick it to the top. What color was that you stained it, babe?
Special walnut.
Special walnut. Cool, cool. All right, so I'm gonna get this on here. We'll seal it up.
Guys, we didn't show, but I also came over here and started painting this wall white because it looks so much prettier and brighter than that ugly tan. Well, creamy color, so we're gonna continue all the way through the kitchen, but that'll be in a future video. I just wanted to go ahead and do that one wall.
So it ties everything up. It's gonna need a second coat on the other wall. Let's show the seam right here. It's actually looking really, really good.
Yeah, I mean, you can just tell just a little bit.
Just a little bit, and there's a little.
I don't even think you'll be able to
up.
see it.
Yeah,
maybe.
But this is really bright. But for what it is, I think it worked really, really good.
Yeah.
I don't know how good you can tell on the thing, but we're gonna hang some shelves up too, so it ain't really gonna be that noticeable.
Let me get a little closer.
So don't be scared to go at it, because it's not. I mean, it's worth doing, and it's really not that hard to do.
Where did it begin?
my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you.